In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Affirm to Stripe in just 5 minutes. If you've been looking to offer your customers more flexible payment options, integrating Affirm with Stripe is a fantastic way to do that. This will not only enhance the shopping experience for your customers, but can potentially boost your sales as well. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to stripe.com. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the sign in button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and it will take you to the login page, where you'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your Stripe account. Ensure your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues, and then hit the sign in button to access your account. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the home section of your Stripe dashboard. You'll find this option on the main navigation menu. After you're on the home page, your next move is to go to the settings tab. It may take a moment to locate it, but it's usually nestled within the menu options or sometimes at the bottom of your dashboard. Within settings, you'll need to find the section labeled product settings. This is where you'll manage various features related to your account and integrations. As we're focusing on payment methods, look for and click on payments under product settings. Once you're on the payments page, the option you'll want is payment method. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all the potential payment methods that you can integrate with your Stripe account. Scroll through this list until you find Affirm. It might be further down, so take your time to ensure you don't miss it. Once you've located Affirm, the final step is to activate it. You'll see the option to turn it on. Simply toggle the switch and Affirm will be enabled for use on your Stripe account. It's as easy as that, and there you have it, integrating Affirm with Stripe in just a few straightforward steps. By following this process, you've successfully added a valuable payment method that can provide your customers with a convenient and flexible way to pay. This can ultimately lead to improved customer satisfaction and potentially higher conversion rates. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.